So here's our first problem, and here's the answer that it was looking for. So the first thing that we know is we have to find the area of the bottom. So pi radius squared. Do we have our radius?
The 8 is
So we need r equals 8.
Squared.
Alright, so pi. Here's one possible thing that you could be doing that's giving you the wrong answer. If you're using the pi button on the calculator, that will give you a different answer. So we want to use 3.14 for pi. So pi is 3.14. R squared, so that's 8 squared. So 3.14 times 8 squared, I get 209.96. Alright,
so it's supposed to be times 7 too.
just hold on. So that's the area of my bottom. So I know I have 7 stacks. And one stack is 209.76. 0.96, excuse me. So I have to take my answer and multiply it by 7. Look, I wrote that down. Wrong. It's supposed to be 200.96.
Okay.
So times 7. Let's see if they use the pi button.
We got a pi button.
Hold on.
You just say C.
Alright, now, let me tell you something. On the circles, they are using the pi button. Now, if it does not tell you to use 3.14 for pi, then you do use the pi button. I said that wrong a while ago. Now, the pi button is second, and that, listen, so second, and the TP is pi. So if it does not specifically say use 3.14 for pi, then you use the pi button. Huh? Right below clear.
I jumped to the other one.
Yeah.
I thought you said C.
Oh, no, like an Indian TP.
Oh, okay.
Alright. So if it does not specifically say use 3.14 for pi, then you do use the pi button. I told you backwards a while ago. I got that wrong. One of them is rounded and one of them is not. So you will get 2 different answers. So when you type in using 3.14, you get this. When you use the TP button and pi, you get this. Yeah. So if it does not specifically say use 3.14 for pi, then you use the pi button. Now, when you're making your corrections, listen, hold on, some of you are just erasing away. I need to get some instructions. Circle, I want you to circle the mistake that you made with your red pen. I just went and got some. So you're going to circle the mistake that you made with your red pen. Do not erase what you did. Do not erase where the whole problem. Don't erase anything that you did. This is how you're going to be able to understand where you went wrong. So circle where you made your mistake with the red pen. Then you will show your work, your corrected work, off to the side. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes. Please stop. Please. All right. Any questions? So you're going to circle where you made your mistake in red. So on this one, I would circle right here. All right, so what should I have done instead of 3.14? So I should have used pi button. All right. And then out to the side, you would show the correct.
And really?
So pi r squared, pi times 8 squared, and then that would give you an answer, 201.0619298, and then you do that times 7, gives you 1407.433509. And then when you round it, it gives you this answer. All right. All right, so I'm going to look at problem number 2. I'm going to do problem number 2. All right. So the first thing, what information do I know? What do I have to do with this shape?
Break it down.
So I have to break it into what? Triangles. So I have to make triangles. Alright? So what do I know about triangles? Alright, base times height over 2. How many triangles will I make? Count again. 6. However many sides is how many triangles you're going to make. 6. So I have 6 triangles. Now, so what is my base? How big is the side? Not how many tall it is. 4. We know it's 4 because these all are marked. And that tells me that is 4. Alright. Very good. So, my base is 4. What's the height of the triangle? 3.5. Good job. So now, I've got base times height divided by 2. So 4 times 3.5 divided by 2. 4 times 3.5, 14 divided by 2 is 7. But how many triangles do I have? 6. So I have to multiply this 7 times 6. So 7 times 6, 42.
He don't say it, 42.
Alright. Now what am I going to do? How many layers do I have?
3.
3. So I'm going to go 42 times 3. 126. Alright? So let's say you got your 3 and your 4 backwards. Did this 3. My base was 3. That would be what you circled red. So wherever your mistake is, you circle it in red so you know where you made your mistake. Again, do not erase. Alright. So this video will be uploaded very shortly.